Okay, for today's video, I will going to discuss to you the arithmetic mean. Okay, so kung paano makuha yung arithmetic mean of a certain non-consecutive terms in a arithmetic sequence. So let's have a definition of the arithmetic means. Okay, for the arithmetic means are the terms between any two non-consecutive terms in an arithmetic sequence. So, ibig sabihin, um, ang hinahanap natin dito sa arithmetic mean is yung between or yung nasa gitna ng dalawang magkasunod, hindi magkasunod rather, na terms. Okay? Halimbawa, 1, comma, then blank, then 3. Ganyan. Ano yung nandito? That is the arithmetic mean. Ito, yun na yung idea ng arithmetic mean na kung saan is kukunin na natin kung ano yung nasa gitna nitong dalawang non-consecutive terms na ito. Okay? Hindi lang isa or hindi lang sa ganitong terms, kundi um, pwede ring 1, comma, then dalawang magkasunod na blank na or missing terms between these two non-consecutive terms. Okay, halimbawa dito, itong dalawang blank na ito yung hahanapin natin by using the arithmetic sequence formula. So ngayon, try natin na sagutan itong problem na ito. Okay, for example number 1, what is the arithmetic means? Okay, so arithmetic means between 15 and 25. Meaning to say, the average of a certain two numbers. Okay, or yung gitna. Halimbawa, meron tayong number line dito, ito, and then point from this point up to this point. Halimbawa, ito. This is x and this is y. So therefore, ang idea ng arithmetic means is kunin natin yung gitna niya or the average. Okay? Ito yung missing sa atin. So para makuha yung gitna nito or yung mean niya, so ang gagawin natin dito, i-add natin itong x, itong first term and the last term to get the mean. Okay? So therefore, so in this case, x plus y divided by 2. So magdi-divide tayo ng 2 because we are dividing a two non-consecutive terms. So therefore, kailangan natin mag-divide ng 2 to get the average or to get the mean of these two non-consecutive terms. Okay? So, kung itong x na ito ay number and y is a number, remember that x and y is just a dummy variable or is just a representation of a certain number. Okay, kung number ito, pwede natin siyang isosolve. Halimbawa, yung x natin ay 5. And then, itong y natin is 10. So, ang gagawin natin is 5 plus 10 divided by 2. Okay? So therefore, 5 plus 10 is equal to 15 divided by 2. So therefore, the answer here is 7.5. 7.5. Ngayon, itong 7.5, yan yung tinatawag nilang, yan na yung arithmetic mean. Okay? So, example number 1, i-try natin ito. Okay, so ganun ang mangyayari. Kailangan natin i-divide sa 2 pag ganito yung case. Kasi dalawa lang naman ito eh. yung pinaggitnaan ni 15 and 25. Yun lang ang hinahanap dito, okay? So, ibig sabihin 15, comma, and then blank, comma, and then 25. So, ganyan nakasulat yung um, itong sequence na ito. So, in a number line, that's dito, and then ganyan, and this is 15, and this is 25. So therefore, ang gagawin dito, i-add itong 15 and i-add itong 25, then divided by 2 to get the average. So therefore, 15 plus 25 divided by 2 is equal to, so 15 plus 25, that is 40, divided by 2 is equal to 20. So therefore, 20 is the middle term or the mean of this sequence. If this sequence 15 and 25. So therefore, the answer here is 20. So this is the final answer. So ganun lang kunin yung arithmetic means. Pag dalawang terms lang ang binigay. So pinaggitnaan, halimbawa ito, example number 1, yung pinaggitnaan lang daw ni 15 and 25. So ibig sabihin ganito ang case. Okay? Paano naman kapag dalawang magkasunod na blank or dalawang missing term? Okay. So dito pala tatlong missing term. So the same lang din naman siya kung dalawang missing term o tatlong missing term, pare-pareho lang ang kailangang gawin. Okay, kasi ang sabi dito, insert 3. Oh, 3 arithmetic means. So ibig sabihin 1, 2, 3 between 20 and 44. So hahanapin natin itong tatlo na ito. Yan. Okay? Yan yung hahanapin natin. Ngayon, to get para makuha ito, para makuha yan, para makuha yung value nito, kailangan muna nating alamin yung gitna nito. I mean, yung difference niya. Kasi hindi naman natin pwedeng 20 divided by 44 is equal to the number. No. Okay? Okay. So, ang gagawin natin dito is kunin muna natin yung difference niya. Kasi kapag nakuha natin yung difference niya, kunyari, ang difference nito ay 2. Ang difference niya ay 2. So, ibig sabihin 20 plus 2. 20 plus 2 is equal to 22. And 22 plus 2 is equal to 24. And so on. Ganun ang gagawin natin. So, para makuha natin itong tatlo na ito. So, gagamitin natin yung arithmetic sequence formula. Okay? So, again, yung arithmetic sequence formula that a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 d. Yan. Yan yung formula ng arithmetic sequence. So, gagamitin natin to. Okay? Okay, isulat muna natin yung given. Okay, let's have the given. So, ano ba yung mga given natin? Itong a sub n muna. So, a sub n is equal to yung last term natin dito, which is 44. So, 44. And then, a sub 1 natin, yung pinakaunang term. Ayan. So, 20. So, ang kagandahan nito, meron na tayong a sub n and a sub 1. Ngayon, meron na tayong a sub n. So, madali na lang din natin mahahanap yung a sub n. I mean, n or yung term position, which is n. N is, ano yung pang ilan ito? So, this is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, and then fifth term. So, ibig sabihin that is 5. Okay? Tapos yung D natin, yun yung hahanapin natin, yung difference. Okay? Yun yung missing. Kasi kapag nakuha natin yung difference, madali na lang natin makukuha itong second term, third term, and fourth term. Okay? So, solve na natin. So, i-substitute na natin itong mga given dun sa formula natin na a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus, okay, plus quantity n minus 1 d. Okay? So, what is a sub n? N natin is 5. Okay, so a sub, ano tong 5? Yan, 5. So, this should be 5 dagarod. So, hindi na siya a sub n. Is equal to, what is a sub 1? A sub 1 is 20. Ay, so a sub 1, i-rewrite lang na ulit natin. D. Okay? So, a sub 5 is 44. Is equal to a sub 1. What is a sub 1? That is 20. Plus, what is n? N is 5 minus 1. D. Okay? So, therefore, 44 is equal to 20 plus 5 minus 1, that is 4. 4 times 4 yan. So, 4 times D, 4D. Okay? So, itong 20, i-transpose natin to the other side of the equation, becomes 44, positive 20, becomes negative 20. Is equal to 4D. Okay? So, therefore, itong 44 minus 20, that is 24. Is equal to 4D. So, tuloy na natin dito. So, 24 is equal to 4D. Divide both side by 4. So, 24 divided by 4 is 6 is equal to 4D. So, cancel itong 4, cancel yan. So, nakuha na natin yung value of D. Okay, yung difference. So, ibig sabihin lang nito, kailangan nating mag-add. Okay? So, burahin ko lang yung part na ito. So, ano ba? Yeah. Yan, baba lang natin. Slitan natin siya. Burahin na lang natin. Okay? So, remember na yung value of D is 6. Okay? So, tanggalin na natin itong question mark. So, this is 6. Okay? So, mag-a-add tayo dito ng plus 6. Okay? 20 plus 6, that is 26. Okay? So, ganun lang. 26 plus 6 is equal to 32. And then 32 plus 6, 38. And checking natin, 38 plus 6 is equal to, kapag yung 38 plus 6 ba, kapag dinagdagan mo yung 38 ng 6, the answer is 44. Okay, that is correct. So, kapag nakuha mo na yung tamang sagot, meaning to say, ito na yung means. Remember, yung 6 is not the answer. Okay, hindi ito yung tamang sagot. Ang tamang sagot diyan is 26, 32, and 38. Okay? Bakit? Kasi yung problem natin ayan na insert 3 arithmetic means. So ibig sabihin arithmetic means ang hinahanap, hindi yung difference. Okay? So that's it for example number 2. Let's have the example number 3. So dito, hindi pareho lang din nung case natin doon sa may example number 2. Okay, ang naiiba lang yung example number 1, which is pinakamadali among the 3 examples. So, hanggang 3 lang itong example na nai-prepare ko. So, in this case, hahanapin ulit natin yung difference niya para mas madali. Okay, so isulat muna natin dito yung formula ng arithmetic sequence, which is a sub 1 plus I is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So, therefore, kukunin natin yung given. Remember, meron tayong given. Ito yung 20 and 30. Okay, ay 20 and 35. Okay, so a sub n is equal to 35. A sub n is always be at the last term, so that is 35. Okay, and then a sub 1, ayun, a sub 1 is equal to, what is a sub 1? Yun yung first term natin, which is um 20. Okay, burahin ko lang ito. Yan, 20 ito. Ay, sulat natin dito 20. And then yung n natin is equal to, ilan ba lahat? Ito yung first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term. So ibig sabihin 6 ang n natin. Ilan ba lahat? Okay? And then d, yun yung hahanapin natin. Okay? I-substitute na natin lahat itong given natin dito sa formula natin. What is a sub n? That is 35. Is equal to, what is a sub 1? That is 20. Plus, what is n? N is 6 minus 1, d. So 35 is equal to 20 plus 5 minus 1. Ay 6 minus 1, that is 5, d. Okay, so 35 is equal to 20 plus 5 times d, 5d. Okay, itong 20, i-transpose natin sa kabila. It becomes, so copying 35 less 20 is equal to 5d. D. So 35 less 20, that is 15, is equal to 5d. Divide both side by 5. So cancel ito, cancel yan. So d now is equal to 15 divided by 5, that is 3. So therefore, d is, okay, okay. So that is 3. Okay. So since nakuha na natin yung value of d, so mag-a-add lang tayo ng 3 dito. Plus 3. Okay, 20 plus 3, that is 23. So 23 plus 3, that is 26. 26 plus 3, that is 29. And 29 plus 3, sorry, this should be 3. 32, sorry. 32 plus 3, that is 35. Okay, nakuha natin yung 35. So, ibig sabihin, difference is correct. Therefore, the arithmetic mean is 23, 26, 25, 29 rather, and 32. So that this is the final answer. Okay, so for it's your turn. Find the arithmetic means of the following problems. So for find the two arithmetic means between -4 and +5, and find the three arithmetic means between 21 and 45. Okay, so madali lang ito. All you need to do is review nyo lang yung mga example na ginawa. So gamitin nyo yun to get the value of the arithmetic means na hinahanap dito sa dalawang question na ito. Okay, so that's all for this topic about the arithmetic means. Okay, thank you for watching. Goodbye.